Balayage is a noun that refers to a hair coloring technique, where color or highlights are painted onto the hair in a freehand manner, creating a natural sun-kissed look. The word comes from the French term balayer, which means to sweep, reflecting the sweeping motion stylists use to apply the color. Unlike traditional foil highlights, balayage results in softer, more blended transitions, often resembling the way hair naturally lightens in the sun. Origins of balayage. Balayage originated in France in the 1970s and gained global popularity in the 21st century due to its low maintenance yet sophisticated aesthetic. Its freehand approach contrasts with more structured techniques, allowing for a personalized, artistic touch tailored to each client's hair texture, length and preferences. How to use balayage. Balayage is primarily used in the context of hairstyling and beauty. It describes both the technique and the resulting style. This method can be used to create a variety of looks, from subtle highlights to bold, dramatic contrasts. Example sentences: I'm going to the salon to get a balayage. It's perfect for a natural, low-maintenance look. Her balayage gave her hair a beautiful gradient effect, blending caramel tones into her dark brown base. And similar words: ombre, a hair coloring technique, where the color transitions gradually from dark at the roots to light at the ends. Highlights, streaks of lighter color added to the hair, often using foils or caps. Foil highlights, a more precise method, where sections of hair are wrapped in foil for even lightening. Why balayage is popular. Balayage has become a go-to technique for its versatility and natural finish. It grows out gracefully, reducing the need for frequent touch-ups, and suits a wide range of hair lengths, textures and colors. Additionally, the stylist's artistic freedom allows for a unique result tailored to the client. In essence, balayage is more than a hair coloring method. It's an art form that emphasizes personalization and natural beauty. Its ability to create soft, luminous effects makes it a favorite among those seeking effortless sophistication. Subscribe.